Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And why does a keyboard matter in a fully rugged style laptop? And I'm going to talk about that today. Basically what you have to worry about is air gaps between the keys and how they're sealed up. And if you look here closely, you'll see that there's plastic in between the keys to kind of give it a little extra protection from large particles. You can even see it on this rugged Dell Latitude right here, where this might actually have more plastic in between. Another thing about the keyboard is the glove. You know, if you're using heavy gloves, if you're out in the field and you have gloves on, you'll notice that the keys travel further when you push on them. So it's not as closely to the laptop as possible, so they stick out a little extra so that you can actually hit the keys with sometimes fat fingers, or even when you have gloves on and when you're working out in the field. So that would be one of the major reasons why rugged laptops have these kind of keyboards. These keyboards are also backlit, so that if for some reason you're in a shaded area or in the dark, you'll be able to see the keys even in the dark, which is important if you're out in the woods and it's getting dusk and you need to be able to see the keyboard so you can type. That's a nice feature. And these rugged laptops come with backlit keyboards. Now, going back to particles and liquid, you'll notice that there's still gaps between the key and the plastic. The only other solution for that is if you were to get a fully rubberized keyboard like this one. This particular keyboard is for the Panasonic Toughbook CF19, but you can tell it is fully encapsulated, so there's no gaps whatsoever. It's a sealed keyboard, so if you drop liquids on this, it's not going through beyond the point of just wiping it off. And that's a rubber keyboard. These are also backlit. They kind of are not that great at typing, but if you're in a wet environment or a highly dusty environment, this would be the keyboard for you. I can imagine auto mechanics using this, or if you're marine applications, like if you're out on the ocean traveling, you would want to have a sealed keyboard like this to keep the water and the grime out. Those are the types of keyboards that you can get on these rugged laptops. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.